Welcome to another Mythruna Monday video, where I go into some aspect of Mythruna and talk about it for a few minutes. Today we're going to talk about console commands, and specifically the respawn, warp, and mark commands. To get to the commands, you open the chat menu. Basically this is where you would chat with other players. But also if you hit the tilde key, then you can type different commands. Help will tell you the list of commands. So you have various commands, and it will depend on the server, because these commands are actually run on the server. In a single player, it's kind of like a local server. So we're going to talk about the respawn, warp, and mark and unmark commands. Mark will let you mark a location in the world where you can warp to later. If you run mark without any arguments, it will show you the marks that have already been stored. So we're going to mark this place because I want to show you the next mark, Mythruna Monday. So that will mark this location as Mythruna Monday, which means if we wander around now, go somewhere else, if we want to warp back there, we could say warp hashtag Mythruna Monday, and it will jump us right back to where we were. So that's useful. The other command I want to show you is the respawn command. If you run the respawn command, that will take you back to the spawn point. So it will pop us down on top of the spawn tower. We can watch the world load in up here. And so if you do that, you can then warp to all the different places. If we want to sort of see the marks we already did, we can see that with Mythruna Monday, we've got that one. Let's run back there. So we're going to warp to Mythruna Monday, and we'll jump right back. You see that we're back where we started, and that's how that works. So if you wanted more help on a specific command, you could type tilde help warp, for example. It will tell you more details about the warp command. You could type tilde help mark. It will tell you more details about that. If you want to remove a mark, if you decide your list is too long, so if I want to remove, for example, the demo mark, you can say unmark demo, and it will remove that. And so then if we run mark again, we can see now there's only 3. This is a lot easier than trying to type manual coordinates, although that does work. So if we wanted to warp from our current location, maybe 10 meters to the east, it would be -106.8.7, and then 141, oops, just 141 is our height, and -2348 is the other coordinate. And so and actually we probably want to give ourselves a little bit of space in case that puts us inside of a mountain. So we warp there, and so now we see that we plop down just 10 meters or so, I guess, west of where we were. So those are the mark, unmark, respawn, and warp commands. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any ideas for future Mythruna Monday videos, please leave them in a comment. Thanks for watching.